Hello friends, good evening all of you. So now also today also we are going to see about the previous year question revision. So already we discussed our last class. So while saying topic, it's a topic only means it will be little bit different. But we need to focus full and full. It's a PYQs. So once we want to crack the exams, actually paper 2, we need to focus at least 5 years of question paper. So already that's just I have given as so I said actually. So 5 years of question papers while saying, so with question itself we need to focus the concept also. It will be better to know this, what are the concepts we have to learn, and what is the how to crack the how to answer the questions, what is the tips and techniques we need to follow while doing the question paper, everything. Yes, so like this, just we can move on to the next videos also, it will be better, I think so. Now let's move on to the question. So we can say this is very important question. You know that's a microprocessor. So the following program is stored in memory unit of the basic computer. What is the content of the accumulator after the execution of program? So here you can see first one 210 the CLA. CLA means clear accumulator. It's 211 add 217 means they are just it will jump to the what is the value 217. So this is actually sorry 217 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 will add in the 211. Now 1 2 3 4 just you can take up hexadecimal format. Okay, so next one we have to increase. That is also increase here. I can see increase means what one we need to increase down 1 2 3 5 will be the value. Yes, now store 217 we have to store in the 213. Okay, so now 214 what? 214 what actually LDA 218. To load 218 value we have to load in the 214. So what is the 218 value? 9C 9C E2 hexadecimal value. Now that we have to do complement. Complement means one's complement. So we have to write full binary format now. What is the binary format? 9 for 1001 I think. 9C for what? Just we can write here 1001 for 9, and 10 for 1010, and 11 for 1011, and 12 for 1100, and 13 is a 1101, and 14 will be 1110, and 15 will be 41. Now this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. Yes. Now we can check what is the C value 1100 1100. What is the E value? 1110 Okay. What is the 2? Just 00 or 10. I think. Yes. Now we can take it's a complement. So one's complement this one. So what is the value? 0. This is 10110. This one what? 0011. This one actually 0001. This one what? 1101. This is my first value. Which one? This is for complement of values. Okay, so for this with this one we need to what actually complement, and with the need to and actually do with this value and this value. Now what is this value? Just we have to write here for 10001, and 2 for 0010, and 3 for 0011, and 5 for 0101. Yes, this is a actually this is a this value is a 1235H, and this value actually we have converted to 9CE2H, that we have converted to one's complement. If you want to write numbers we can write that is for 6 actually, this is for 3, this is for 1, this is for I think 1101D actually. This is what happens 6 3 1 D. This we got answer. Okay, after that one's complement. Now we are going to do AND operation, both the things are. Now AND operation means what? Both are 1 means the value will be 1, otherwise the value will be 0. That is called AND operation. Yes, now 1 1 1 1 0. This is 1 into 1 1 is a 1 into 0 0. Now 1 into 1 1. This is 0 0 0. Here 1 into 0 0. 1 into 1 1. This is 0 0. Here 0 1 0. Here 0 0 0. So my value will be, this is called 0, this is called 2, this is 1, this is 5. So 0 to 1 5 h, this will be the answer for this one. So like this questions, repeated questions, very important questions also we have to understand that. So what is clear, what is accumulator, what does add means, what does INC means increment, STA means store the value, and CA means complement, like this. One more questions also we are going to see like that. Okay, now which of the following statements with respect to the K statement, K segment pipelining, this is are true. So first we have to see what is first one, pipelining concept. Yes, next we will come to the this point actually. Okay, now first one, just we'll see what is pipelining. Pipelining means the technique used in computer architecture to increase the throughput. So number of instructions executed per unit. Actually, we are not going to execute one by one. Here by executing multiple instructions simultaneously, it's going to work out. That is called pipeline. So it's similar to one assembly line in a factory where different stages work on different products at the same time. For example, we can take car washing center. Actually, what will happen? Four stages will be there. So washing, drying, polishing, and inspection, that it will do separately. But here pipelining, it will take at the four stages also. It will divide some segments. Four segments or five segments are, so that four equal stages, so 5 nanoseconds, 5 nanoseconds, like this one stage also it will complete. So automatically, so one stage will complete. For example, I'll show you that first work it's going to complete four stages, it's divided. Yes, like this it's divided four stages. So stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. So once the stage will one is completed, the another work will start from here, this one, fetch operation or whatever first stage. So again second stage it will complete here, like this it will move on to the simultaneous work, it will work out. That is called pipeline actually. Okay, so now which of the, okay, so apart from that, why it is called theoretical means because in this pipeline hazard, unequal stage timings, data dependency branch. So therefore here the actual speed up will differ. So here maximum speed up pipeline provides K theoretically. Yes, K theoretically means it's K segment pipeline. It's working. It's like a K stages segments. So that's it's working like a K theoretically method. So here this is one correct. Maximum speed up that a pipeline can provide K theoretically, and it is impossible to achieve maximum speed up with the K segment pipeline. So what is this actually? It is impossible to achieve maximum speed up K pipeline. Actually, in theory, maximum speed up is equal to K, but practically here different. So the K actual speed up always less than K only. For example, we have five stage pipeline we can take up. Some every time we can't take actually 5 seconds or 5 nanoseconds. We can't say first stage 5 nanoseconds means sometimes other stage 4.8 it will take up. Sometimes other take it will take it to 4.6 nanoseconds or something. So like the maybe little bit it will differ. Never exactly it will complete the every stages fine 555 like this. So that's why it's telling it is impossible to achieve maximum speed up a K segment pipeline. Actually it's correct. It's saying impossible only. It's correct. All segment in pipeline take same time in computation. I already we saw it's not a computation is same time. It will differ little bit slightly. So we can't take it's the same segment. So A and B will be the correct answer. Okay, so next one, which of the following statements with respect to multiprocess statements are true? What is multiprocessor actually? Multiprocessing means multiple processor it will run at the so this one actually same computer operating system. Multiprocess is different, multi-computer is different. So multiprocessing system controlled by one operating system. Yes, it's operating just in OS itself. For example, I will take at multiple processing I'll do. For example, just basically I can take I will open several systems, several processing. So in multiprocessor system, multiple computers are connected by means of communication lines. No, multiprocessor means it's not a multiple computers are connected. That is wrong. So this is actually true. Multiprocessor or same one operating system. This is wrong. And multiprocess system is classified as multiple instruction streams and multiple data streams. Yes, sure, it will take it's a multiple instruction stream and multiple data streams. So this is also correct. So A answer will be the correct answer. And what is handshaking, what is programmed IO, what is interrupt IO, initiated IO, and IO processor? First of all, I want to tell you one thing. First, if you know like this, match the following questions. Any one or two answers is more than enough. Okay, first of all, we can move on to the topic, then we can say what is handshaking. Handshaking means is a synchronization technique that which two control signals are exchanged between CPU and IO devices to ensure reliable data transfer. It prevents data loss by confirming both the sender and receiver already. Here, what two control signals? Kindly remind that these are the keywords. So, handshaking means two control signals just are exchanged. Just remind that. What is programmed IO? In programmed IO, the CPU continuously check whether the IO device is ready or not. This process is called polling or busy waiting. Kindly note down programmed IO, one of the main keyword, polling or busy waiting. And what is interrupted IO? So the CPU does not continuously check the device. So instead of that IO device sent to the interrupt, it becomes ready. That also, that's an interrupt IO. What is IO processor means? The IO process is a special process dedicated to handling input-output operations. It has own process, local memory or control. So these are the things we have to know. Now we can see handshaking. Handshaking, what IO interface informs the CPU the device is ready for the transfer. Ready for the transfer, what we have seen actually, that is called, I think, as a programmed this is interrupted initiated IO. Okay, becomes when it is interrupt, when it is become ready. Now handshaking, it's called actually as a control, just you can see two control signals working in the opposite directions. So that is actually correct answer to the two. So just A, other option just you can eliminate. This option we can eliminate. This option also I can eliminate. Now we can see B option, no need to work out at all. No need to check at all because B option there itself they have given required TPU to check IO flag and perform transfer. So B option both are same. So no need to see. So interrupted IO, I know that this is a interrupts reforms the CPU that ready for transfer. So I am giving C is a 1 means automatically this will be the answer. IO process local memory control large set of IO devices. So like this, if you know two or one or two answers, some very rare actually, if you know one answer, you will crack the question and we can come out that next question. Because we need time management. Some questions we need to focus and we need to spend a lot of time. So this type of questions only we need to reduce the timings from this one. It will be better to complete all the questions. Okay. Now this is okay. So arrange the following types of machines in descending order of the complexity. So ascending order and descending order of complexity we have to know. We do no need to see the topic. We are going to see the topic, but simply you can see this is single instruction, single data stream. This is first it will come, and single data, multiple data stream. This is second it will come, multiple instruction, multiple data stream. It will come third. What happened? I said actually ascending order. You can see descending order. What will happen? First one B will get, next one C we will get, and next one will get. This is the descending order of the combination. That's all. Actually depends on the abbreviation. I said we can conclude this question. Now we can see what is SISD. SISD is the abbreviation of single instruction and single data stream. It depicts the structure of the single computer and which includes a control unit, memory unit, and processor unit. So this system may or may not consist of internal parallel processing this one, and this performs sequentially it will do one by one. What is MIMD means abbreviation for multiple inputs instruction and multiple data stream. So where we saw the MIMD actually it's a pipelining concept actually it's a multiple instruction multiple data streams. So all process of a parallel computer may execute distinct instructions and act as a different data at the same time in the organization. So each processor in MIMD has its own program and each program generates an instruction. Okay, what is SIMT? SIMT is the abbreviation for single instruction and multiple data stream. It symbolizes that organization with a large number of processing units overseen by a common control unit. The control unit sends the same instruction to all the processor, but they work on separate data. Okay. And okay, so today just we have seen some of the questions. So like that we can see the question itself, and we can see the topic at Janyar, topic wise everything topic also we can cover. So it will be, I think, a better idea. And if you have any doubts regarding that, because now we are seeing just the theory part, it's not, we won't get on this one any problem. If you are while seeing that this one just a playlist I have given, while saying that discrete mathematics, that here computer system architecture, it's a calculation based questions also. If you have any doubts, just you can post in the comment section, or you can join in the WhatsApp group which we have given in the channel, and you can ask WhatsApp group also. And once I joined WhatsApp group, we will post in just notes and everything. Okay. And come kindly watch full video and subscribe this channel. Thank you all of you. Thank you once again.